In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly navigate your way through making a purchase on Aliexpress by adding a new payment method. Whether you're a frequent shopper or new to the platform, setting up your payment details is a straightforward process that can enhance your shopping experience and save you time in the future. First, we'll begin by heading over to the Aliexpress website. If you haven't already, open your preferred web browser and type in Aliexpress in the search bar, or go directly to the website by entering aliexpress.com. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not logged in, you'll want to sign in with your credentials to access your personal settings. Now that we are on the home page of Aliexpress and logged into our account, let's take a closer look at our personal profile. You should see your profile icon usually located at the top right corner of the page. So go ahead and click on that. Once you click on your profile, a drop-down menu should appear, and from there, you'll want to select Settings. The Settings page is where you can customize a lot of your personal preferences related to your account, including payment methods. Upon reaching the Settings page, look for the Payment section, as this is where the magic happens. Click on Payment, which will open up options related to how you handle transactions on Aliexpress. This includes adding new payment tools, deleting ones you no longer use, updating expiry dates, or simply managing your current settings to ensure smoother transactions on your future orders. Now, for the critical part of today's guide, you'll want to add a new payment method, which could either be a credit or debit card. Click on the option labeled Add New Card. Once you click this, you'll be prompted to fill in the necessary details your card issuer requires. This typically includes your cardholder name exactly as it appears on the card, the long card number, expiry date, CVV code at the back, and sometimes the billing address linked to this card. Make sure you double-check all of these details for accuracy to prevent any troubles during checkout. After inputting all these details, the last thing you need to do is hit the Save button. Upon saving the new card, Aliexpress should take a moment to validate the information, and if all the entered data is correct, voila, you have successfully added a new payment method to your account. This simplicity means you're all set for your next purchase, and checking out your favorite items should now be seamless and quicker. And there you have it. By following these few steps, you've set yourself up to easily manage your payments on Aliexpress. Whether you're buying clothing, electronics, or gifts, having your payment details ready on file makes the whole shopping experience more convenient and hassle-free. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping on Aliexpress.